Aam Aadmi right now is feeling the pinch of spiraling onion prices, which has seen over 100% increase just in the last 3 months. Now, the prices of onion has witnessed reported an increase of 245% year on, contributing heavily to the rising inflation. Times now is getting you these ground reports, in fact, from across the nation and voices from the people on what they really have to say about the pinching prices.
With spiraling prices of food and grocery items, the most affected remains the common man. And the basic complaint remains as to why the government has not been able to manage this aspect of economy. And with elections just 7 months ahead, the question is, could this aspect of not managing the food prices backfire for the government and an opportunity that the opposition will be able to tap in?
Price is too much costly. We are unable to afford because we are a low middle class family. That is why it is impossible for us to afford.
So now when you cook food, you have to take into
consideration. We use minimum, so that our budget should not exceed.
सब्जी तो आसमान को छू रही है जी। तो इतना महंगा हर चीज़, कोई भी चीज़ ले लीजिए आप, इतनी महंगी हो गई कि आम आदमी के बस की चीज़ नहीं है। ये तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा अगर ऐसे ही महंगे चलती रही तो। इसलिए इस गवर्नमेंट को सोचना चाहिए, बस घटिया गवर्नमेंट है जो भी सेंटर में है या स्टेट में है।
Inflation is at a 6-month high. Onion prices have gone up exponentially by 245% year on year, and vegetable prices have gone up by 77% year on year. What does this mean for the common man? We spoke to several common men at Jagu Bazaar in Kolkata who said that they are having to curtail their consumption. They are having to feed their families with half of what they require. And in fact, one gentleman we spoke to said that he is one step closer to suicide because right now he feels the central government, the state government, nobody can help him, and the only one who can help him right now is God himself. With camera person Sudarshan Parida, Kritika Chatterjee in Kolkata for Times Now.
Vendors say that they haven't received the stock from various other parts of the state, but at the same point of time they do tell us that the prices of vegetables will come down, but here in the market there are no signs of prices of vegetables coming down anytime soon. In Chennai, with camera person Jay Prakash, Shabir Ahmed for Times Now.
Very difficult for my family. There's 4 members. It's very difficult. I used to buy around 200 rupees vegetable. Now it's cost around 500 rupees. It's very difficult for a common man, especially for the poor people. Especially the onion cost is very enormous because we find it very difficult.
ऐसे फ्रूट्स बढ़ते जाएंगे तो बजट पूरा गड़बड़ी होगा ना, कहाँ से लाएंगे? सब्जियां भी महंगी हो गई हैं, पालक और 60 रुपए गड्डी दे रहे हैं, प्याज इतनी महंगी हो गई है, क्या है मतलब ये इतना सारा रेट बढ़ रहा है तो सारा बजट हम लोग का लड़खड़ा रहा है।